What's up guys, Prometheus here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your overlay export. Sometimes you'll be running into some problems, and we're going to go through these problems right now. So we have my extensions. We're going to go to overlay export, go to the settings, and then we're just going to create, just for tutorial purposes, we're just going to create one right now. Okay, walkthrough. We don't need the walkthrough. I'm just gonna add a little layer real quick. Now, I made a video earlier, previously, on how to like get some ideas and upload and stuff like that, but just wanna kind of go through what possible issues you may run into. Okay, new layer, and then we're gonna add a background here. Okay, so now, for this example, where you may run into a problem where you can't upload at all, and for that purposes, we're just going to log in real quick. Okay, there we are. So I'm going to pick a file that I know it's not going to work. Let's see. We'll just go to all files right here. And then I want you to notice something real quick about here. Even though this file right here is MP4 file, it will not work with overlay export. It'll give you this error right here, and we'll come into it. It's going to be this long error, so it's not going to give you basically error 413. And to get rid of this error 14, we're going to go ahead and we're going to have to convert it into a WebB file. Now, I do have I'll show you the link for the WebB file, and I'll also be putting it in the description below. This is it right here. You it's pretty much self-explanatory. Pick your file, boom, it'll do it. However, you also might run into a problem, which we'll say, okay, yeah, sorry. You also might be running into a problem when you go back and let's say you did do the files and convert it to WebB, and it's like, oh, it's too big, you know what I mean? So over here it was 64 megabytes. My MP4 file is pretty big, but let's just say we go right here and it's 30 megabytes. It's smaller, but see, I'll give you another, again, too big of a file. So you need to make it even smaller. So even though these are, I wouldn't say too big of a file, but for this extension, it is quite large and it will not work. So what you need to do is, these were originally exported as 1980 1080p. I mean 1920 1080p. So what you need to do is go back to whatever software you're doing and either put it to 720 and then convert it to your WebB file. And then that will definitely be significantly smaller. Let's just say, where are we at? Yeah, it will be smaller, and then you should be able to do that. Now, however, when you do have it all hunky-dory, and then you can't, a lot of people will go back to your Twitch, and you'll be able to choose this. It will give you this error. Now what you need to fix for that is we'll click in here. It's not going to tell you how to do much of anything. So once again, how we fix that error is we go back to our overlay right here, and we'll oop. Come on now, come on. We don't want to do that. Okay, let's go. Okay, we want to go to my overlays. Just click OK, because we don't want to save that. It's just tutorial purposes. Now when we go back to like say you have your stuff already made, you want to click the 3 dots right here, and then let's go over here so you can see it a little better. 3 dots, click 3 dots, and then click the selection. And then when you go back and refresh, if you will, like you were doing it, you will find out that this would be you won't see choose, you'll see selected, and it'll be grayed out, and then boom, that's how you get that done. If this was helpful at all, or if you liked the video, go ahead and smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comments, please hit me up if you need any help. I'm here to help you out as best as I can. Now guys, I'll see you next time. Happy editing.